315 species in genus Ageratina. A deep dive into the diverse world of Ageratina. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always fascinated by the sheer diversity of the plant kingdom. One genus that has particularly captured my attention is Ageratina, a group of flowering plants in the Asteraceae family. This genus, commonly known as snakeroot, is home to over 300 species, each with its own unique characteristics and ecological roles. What is Ageratina? Ageratina plants are primarily perennials and shrubs, typically found in the warmer regions of the Americas and the West Indies. The genus name, Ageratina, translates to like ageratum, referring to its resemblance to another genus in the Asteraceae family. This similarity is mainly due to the fluffy, clustered flowers that are characteristic of both genera. However, Ageratina distinguishes itself with its unique features, including its diverse growth habits and its preference for warmer climates. A diverse genus. The genus Ageratina encompasses a wide array of species, each with its own distinct characteristics. Ageratina adenophyra, Crofton weed. This invasive species, native to Mexico and Central America, has spread to many parts of the world, including Australia and New Zealand, where it poses a significant threat to native ecosystems. Ageratina altissima, white snakeroot. This North American species is notorious for its toxicity to livestock. It contains a toxin called trematol, which can cause milk sickness in humans who consume milk or meat from affected animals. Plant FAQs. Ageratina altissima, white snakeroot. Ageratina aromatica, small-flowered snakeroot. This species, native to the eastern United States, is known for its fragrant flowers and its ability to attract pollinators. Ageratina havanensis, Havana snakeroot. This species, endemic to Cuba, is characterized by its large, showy flower heads and its adaptability to various habitats. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Ecological importance. Ageratina plants play a crucial role in their respective ecosystems. They provide food and shelter for a variety of insects and animals, and their flowers are an important source of nectar for pollinators such as bees and butterflies. However, some species, like Ageratina adenophyra, can become invasive and disrupt the balance of native ecosystems. Therefore, it's important to understand the ecological impact of each species and manage them accordingly. Human impact and uses. While some Ageratina species are considered weeds due to their invasive nature, others have been used for medicinal purposes by indigenous communities. For instance, some species have been traditionally used to treat ailments such as fever, diarrhea, and snake bites. However, it's crucial to note that the safety and efficacy of these traditional uses have not been scientifically proven, and caution should be exercised when using any plant for medicinal purposes. Conservation efforts. Given the ecological importance of Ageratina and the threats posed by invasive species, conservation efforts are crucial. These efforts include monitoring the spread of invasive species, protecting native habitats, and raising public awareness about the importance of biodiversity. By understanding and appreciating the diversity of Ageratina, we can contribute to the conservation of these fascinating plants and the ecosystems they support.